In the vast tapestry of ecosystems, a breathtaking symphony of life unfolds before our eyes. It is here, where nature's masterpiece is woven with intricate precision, that we discover the blueprint for a thriving and balanced world. In every corner of our planet, from the lush rainforests to the expansive oceans, a delicate harmony exists. It is a dance of interdependence, where each living organism plays a vital role in the grand design of our Earth. From the tiniest microorganism to the mighty apex predators, every creature has its place, its purpose. Just as the threads of a tapestry are carefully intertwined, so too are the intricate connections within ecosystems. The plants, with their vibrant hues and gentle sway, provide the very foundation of life. They breathe life into the air we breathe, and their roots anchor the soil, preventing erosion and nurturing the earth beneath our feet. The animals, with their diverse forms and behaviors, become the guardians of balance. They disperse seeds, pollinate flowers, and control populations, ensuring that no single species overwhelms the delicate equilibrium. From the graceful flight of a butterfly to the powerful stride of a lion, each creature contributes to the symphony of life, and let us not forget the unseen heroes, the microorganisms that toil beneath the surface. They break down organic matter, enriching the soil and enabling the growth of new life. They purify water, cleanse the air, and provide the essential building blocks for the entire ecosystem. In this tapestry, we find not only beauty but also resilience. Ecosystems have endured the test of time, adapting to changing environments and bouncing back from adversity. They teach us the value of diversity, reminding us that strength lies in our differences, and that unity is the key to survival.